America, Israel, Wamuni, Iran, Diabueni. So far, baby, I have a bedroom. Bedroom, baby, cry. Trump was suspended. Bombing in the throwing of missiles, no, for 5 days to allow say and Kitaudia Koso, Iran for about Bontins and Kitaudia Bia, woman will be in Kitaudia Bianti, Trump, dear Akoi, any baby, I have a bedroom Strait of Hormuz, and no Yatumu, now America forces, I almost so small troops. I'm Wama Bana, Wama be atom, I'm a fan what to me for. Baby, I have a bedroom. Sana and you many sutie.
Thank you. Any for. I think say the dear one say America and Israel, even though they know the energy, the strength, or in the capability of Iran, but to some extent in Kwame Oma underestimate you, to some extent Oma underestimate you, Oma underrate you, say. Now they have thought or the impression created say a walkover fight. But they also knew very well, say, spiritedly, no American had been, as I mentioned on your program the other time, say, well, on the year, Iranians were the strongest American allies, not even the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, though, of course, since 1946, almost signed oil pact, almost 60% of oil be assigned to American forges, almost account for. Saudi government does not know how much. I know now, Sobeka Munia journalist Khashoggi, Eko can say from 1946, oil at Saudi Arabia, they are American. Sis Canada American Bank, some Chase Canada Africa, 1.3 billion, and could be a multi-billionaire. And no, the same Trump regime, which of course he was the president, and Khashoggi in Turkey, broad daylight on an Iraq embassy, or Moko. Massacre and body, Israeli Mossad in the body in the head in every chrome of the core because now or trigger American sensitive information with Saudi. Now, Iran, Makan old program say, no Israel for Nankasa no Mossad for Israeli Defense Force, Israeli Air Force. Only Iran, a Kambuma, only Saddam, at the time, that was Sarik. Nuclear facility no and to women very well said these are people they are very an ancient and old regime bia and nipa bia they are very spirited patience nankas and they don't give up. Afghanistan you need the America when man winning the fight over Afghanistan when man winning a lot of fight against Kurdistan and he said na omu komuno if one would not say a business related, and of course it's very clear that the mission and the visions of the core part of it was just to show machoism, say, or to show American show of force, the presence, Israel for yes, Israel misleading Trump. But when misleading Trump, it was Trump's own intention and plan, say, Nelson to make sure, say, America businesses, companies, weapons, arms, ammunition, jets, helicopters, USF, America, called Navy BBI all together. That individual companies, no many guache, to buy them a big go, no more pop, in case of chase and your minimum. But Kwame, where we are now, Iran followed strategy in say, and across America through informal corridors. The informal corridors in Kwame said, Mitigana, near the hour happening, and now a friend of the government or work on the corridor of NDC government, for instance. Now, Obinimi be dealing, I'm not dealing on behalf of His Excellency John Mama, neither his government. I may be a sympathizer, I may be a friend of the government. In the American who will be say Kasa, it doesn't represent the interest the Islamic Revolution Guard call. So Iranians came straight away to say Sanyanukwe. But let me share there's a missing link. There's a president of the Republic of Iran as we speak. None of these details and discussions, none of this fight. He is not making any statement, neither have the Americans say, how can you leave the president of the country? You are only speaking about the supreme leader. The supreme leader is gone. The new one, it is true. Muchaba Wayari Anasu Wepra. They know. In China, I'm the president of the Republic of Iran, Islamic Republic, Tasa. No discussions. And yet, he is the administrator and day-to-day running of the government is the president. I don't know the American phone can say, Yempano. I don't know the woman can say, Yempano. And yet, the story of the same party, Diana Omiena, Multegak, Omde Edikutuno. And the strategy is say, Iran for one person did America. Not up to the extent say, almost they want the open confrontation on ground troop. Because Kwan won't mean sustain area bombardment for 1 month too. A can won't mean interceptors in a conformity then only VD. There is interceptors around the whole Persian Gulf, around the whole Arabian Peninsula, and for that matter, frontline states in America forward. I didn't still land Iranians into penetrating. I didn't Iranians in land or Tel Aviv. So now they are landing. But of course, news item be a Kwame already in the Iran for TB and Kawokan Wasem. They have suppressed the traditional loud media outlets of the world, i.e. Fox, i.e. NSBC, i.e. CNN, i.e. Qatar for the friends Al Jazeera and BBC. Obintie China news, Obintie Russian news, and Obintie Iranian news. It is what they are telling us is what we hear. But then on the ground, the world is aware. American generals out here, about 35 to 50 American former generals who are very versatile and well endowed in war. Omar Teste, Omar Ko Iraq, Omar Ko Afghanistan. They are telling the American government their experience in those countries to fight in that territories. And the character of the Arabian spirit and their character of fighting. Omar warning said this is not a fighter. Iran for said the Aka Strait of Hormuz we are not opening. Omar said detonators. But Mumu say detonators no. And you for Yama wom. The world best detonators. Any landmines in there's no country in the world more than Norway. Norwegian technology. And Uncle Fudi over there. Oma Tomatiaka, no way for him making from him. Oma Crusu. Fly a Ibia, the vessel be a Babahubiano, Sanya vessel controlled by them. It is on fire. How are they going to block it? The heat, Abeviase, the heat said, Mekan said, Wall Street, I want to Trump on you. Wall Street, I want a business in the Kosovo. Wall Street, I want an oil in the Buedino. They are sitting in America, they are happy with it. But they don't care because they are making money out of the Wall Street, out of this war. Iran for say, we are not opening today, we are not opening tomorrow. American forces with the Marine. Kwame Yen shared the track record of the United States Army. Ground fight be a Omako with their Marines, with the Army marching on the ground fighting. They are not communal fighters. They can't fight. Or call Basra in Iraq. Senya UK for British Royal Army. They couldn't. Kwame, Omukwaha, Faradid, who they are very good in history. Okay, Somalia, Faradid.
Yeah.
They couldn't fight them. They woman Ghanaian. Faradid, they ran away under George Bush Senior. Omantimi, they ran away. Osha woman in Vietnam, they couldn't win on the ground floor. On the ground fight.
Sure.
Iran for the woman what's it?
They say Vietnam war no dey US in time kesi.
My patch what you say. I mean this American strategically no. Only the office say otimi an area show now. No we kill you are. Let us will defeat you. But this is the case sir. Oma who say in fact, they are not the baby of my bomb say military arsenals, military kasane, as the Germans will call the basis nina. Dudwana na dummy. Iran for Dudwana a dummy. Because what bombarded the area say what the navy, the navy nano, what ground na. Where do they and how are they able to launch the missiles? How are they able to shoot out the missiles, the ballistics, say like a fly, a flew, The drones is still in the air. Who hit it in less than a minute? No other Arabian country on the belt. No, I hit it. Who hit it within a short minute? No, now acquire. Share, sir, a Riga Garcia. American for base a war, sir, a friend said Indian Ocean more. Ba Madagascar, a more. She said Iranians 4,000 kilometers. Iran for it to draw. So they are a little bit skeptical about what they have and where they fly those weapons or where they fly those missiles from. And it's a complexity of a war. Iranians and people would drag America into the ground fight. Now, where would they go? They can enter the ground on the land border only from the northern part, that is the Iraq side. But the Iraq side, the Iranian Kurdistan, so you must even finish them. Fight with the Iranian Kurdistan, only a hard check hand. As our cross over. Now, one cross was all to come nearby because the ballistic me do or one crew with him how to engage and how to measure. And to remember that was to say, once you see free, things go amu, once you see free, armor cars, once you see free, armor vehicles. You don't know where the Iranians are looking at you. And they don't want to be caught like the zombies. So you want to go and scale a fight. And you and I know, say, Israeli fighters, IDF, ni Aminisa, they can't go. Oh no, any terrorists and yes, because omni armless, omni too much weaponized. And this one Hamas crack and war suffer our ground say ya. One Hezbollah, a fight, one Al Qaeda, a fight on the ground, one ISIS, a fight or struggle. The woman knows. And to make my area show no sustainability, sustained in the air for 3 weeks for 1 month, you know. Kwame is a big cost to US. So now the Strait of Hormuz, you know, you have to now go on the ground. And the Strait of Hormuz, Kwame, and your land, a sea, yes, on the sea. So the Navy, you know, are you going to interface at the where you the USS Cool, no, and the destroyer, no. With the Kwakusio no matter no matter no. They can't stand, they can't sit, they can't be in the water. They can only be on vessels to shoot and dive. How long would that fight be? Because you know when you hotel and it's a heavy angle. They will not allow you entry from the Oman. Neither would they allow them also to enter from the Caribbean belt of the peninsula. Into the angle now. Iraq up and now you have to fight over a month to get to Tehran.
Submarines and far Emma
High Peninsula, no Persian Gulf, no they have to cross. But Americans are very cautious. Almost destroyers, any home launchers, any USS Cole, GR4 near that, any reservists. That vessels, you know, on Fana Mekati across from Qatar and I say Kuwait, the Bira. Now just a run for better because what you land Kuwait, you know, one land ho, one land UAE, Dubai Airport or land back to back, one land one land Qatar. And this is a quack of a vessel. Now they are cutting through, which is about 400 and something, you know, less than 400 nautical miles, you know. Once now, Mount Fabi. You cannot, about 100 and something 30 nautical miles. Mama cross. And therefore go through the edge. Go through the edge now. Show me cross south. Or cross south. Yemen has a problem. And also Oman also swa. No, Wakako did the Mediterranean side of the Persian Peninsula. I think Robert French Swaba. And San Waba Dura Hormuz, you know, friends Hormuz through Oman. So the ground fight, you know, you have to enter from Oman on the sea. Is it an easy fight? The Omanians, Oman is skeptical. So I watch here. Side the whole Lancaster, Oman, Lancaster, Persia for them to two any being called. Almost to two being called. Because almost it is the Oman, and you have 4 hooties in the Ifuna. Don't let you up. Into Oman, so I watch here. They are very silent.
Very silent.
But Bahrain, yes, they are doing it. Kuwait, they are doing it. Emirates, they are doing it. Saudi yo ewo o machi or bet nachi otimi dru ho. And this is Saudians no ese wo so ba ka America for no ho na Kuwait ono ni army onu 2000 Bahrain ni army onu 5000 Qatar onu ankasa na army ni na the whole country no onu 2003 o ma ka ni na ye from ze askaria o so just Indians Pakistanians o ma fa o non-citizens o ma show military uniform on ti fa nko enti region ho no akra no eyin fa na America be mobilize troops o nim the Arabian soil fight no ona ese we release o marine and the marine so no baby a wo so okwa den okwa diffuse okwa empty okwa clear path no enye land eye sea and it's also be call land now are you fighting to go to Tehran to take out the government because why area control media area bombardment in there so don't mean to government in there so what next after you be march on the street to go and fight do you think Iranians the Persians and their history will sit down so American for me room from take your friends Iraq side no more fighting far down and now omumra Bahrain, no more Jayusino, no more cross man fighting. I mean, the worst fight is yet to come. Having failed the diplomatic angle of solving this problem, no. Now Iranians, so now you imagine say, we are down, like Nigerians, whoever is down is not afraid to fall. They are not, they are very unshaking. It's a serious case, and if you see the world, and then economically, you know, stress on his excellency, unfortunately, the president of the United why stress? And this is the fight the world is embracing a hard economic issue that is yet to rock, and see that comes back to a nation like ours. But then, plan. What is our plan B? If we could not have plan for COVID, which is medicinal, which is medical, the whole world was involved. This is a fighter. It's affecting the economies of the world because of oil and gas shortage. What are we going to do?
Uncle Farouk, Matissa, they say Trump say, one also bomb so better me secure the Strait of Hormuz. I don't know how feasible it is.
Visible, say, share the NATO and the European allies joins the fight, and all of them are very cautious because the NATO, they followed America over fight NATO did not initiate. Which one of them? Iraq. Americans went in, British supported, but when it became very hard for them, then America invoked the world, either you are with us or not. That was George Bush Jr. And it forced the allies of the NATO to join because at that time, now America is a bigger sponsor of NATO. But as we speak, President Trump did not measure. So I would draw American facility, American funds. We are aware the bigger chunk are called NATO sponsorship. President Trump was training them. So all the NATO members are independent nations having one union called European Union. Who are the countries that only America will use to? Spain, only America can fight or treat you or to be. Italy, only American can fight or to be. The Italy film, the Spain film. The other Balkan states, they don't have that stronger well now, obedience. The next country obedience so Bakumbino, UK. Anything up Trump the pressure to British was they should support America to clear. The British are very cautious at this time. Say no, that costed the politics and then the popularity of Tony Blair, one of the finest UK prime ministers, went or withdraw because of the mistake I would do George Bush. No British premier at this point. British Royal Army, and for that matter, His Excellency, the head of state of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth, Prince Charles, or His Excellency Majesty Charles, on sanctioned that fight in itself with experience, British Royal Army, MCO committee, so therefore. When NATO members, because NATO members,
on social media say a devastating effect on Israel. Say what must say Niema or Iran for not saying Niema or sanity, and I say when the AIB.
Well, part of them, of course, there's a media war. The same thing said the Israel Foreign Project. Why would you believe anything America and Israel puts out there? the empire hit it, you destroy. It's a media war. When there's war coming, there is media war. We have been involved in several missions. This were the issue. The media war is there, and the physical war is there. And if the world should believe what the Israelis are telling us on the Americans, yeah, they are quite hitting it. Why do they also turn around and say the Israel for the end there is no how? It is not true. Yet America and Israel is aware that they have done the media censorship. Our Tel Aviv, our Hebron, our Elat, our Babia, Salam. Won't mean yet open because Israel is so sophisticated. When you shoot out those videos, it will not go. The system will crash it off. So yes, they are not. Yes, of course. What do you phone cry video? You can't send it. It will not go. They blast it off. Trust Israel for that. Trust Mossad. Trust Israeli army. The army they are the best in telecommunications. More than iPhone, more than Nokia, more than your friends say Huawei. They are the top in the world when it comes to telecommunications. Israeli army. And they know how to secure and then they know how to avert information being sent out from Israel. But they don't want social media. Yes, of course, some are AI, of course. The same thing, some of the things are American Israel, some are AI as well. But then the genuinely, a lot of them are also a factual. And I say it is a fact. And if that is the way, Israelis have never defended, and I say, them say Iran for missiles in Nuho. They have never disputed that. They have never. They themselves, Mossad or Israel, when they are fighting, they themselves, the government doesn't talk much. They only talk of action, what they are doing. They don't talk of much. They don't talk much. And the media warning they are other bloggers yebi, other vloggers yebi, world media yebi, fighting with both sides. But the reality is that Iranians coming, Omo as you can Tariq Aziz, Saddam Hussein, was our pound them. We are pounding them like this. That is why Swasha Ahokika day 1, Ahokika day 2, Ahokika day 3. They are now looking for how the government is still and who is coordinating, because the supreme leader was the first target that if he's off there, the government is not. And all the leaders around the first, second level of the assembly. But who is now instructing? Who is now issuing? Who is now issuing command? And the thinking says, but still, the government is still intact and they are still able to coordinate. Meaning, say, somebody nowhere, underground somewhere, nowhere than Iran, nowhere than Tehran, nowhere than Qom, are almost coordinating the government and operations of the fight. So it means, say, American law said no. At this time, at this point, with this sustainable bombardment, ballistic air, Iran for now, you imagine, say, you kill, build, break down our schools, break down our bridges, break down our military perceived camps. A lot of them in Oma will say decoy camps. And Oma Sa now the real show, you have to be on the ground. What is the size of the American Israeli army on the ground? And if you send your troops on the ground, Kwame, in war, it restricts your bombardment activity because you have to advance to bombard before they come. But then what about there is a mistake? Let's all drop on them because bomb also sometimes hasn't got an eye. And then I'm super cautious that the area of bombardment, the Iranians in KG or what the then you will find it difficult to bomb because your people would also be perished. And that is why they set the trap for them. They do a V shape and then they allow the Americans to come through the V and enter, normal cross from left, right. Then they face you in front. Where would you go? And yet, easy to President Trump on one kofa. Then I think we've been following on one general Senakabi. No much said, body, by mistake, but you know, America, no retreat, no surrender. So they have to claim the defeat at all costs. But then claiming that defeat or just making sure that they win this war, it comes with a lot of forbearances. It comes a lot of cost. And that cost comes a burden of the world. But the reality is that Europeans call the major number of the NATO are the European member countries. They are not. They are very adamant. Finland also on call. Norway on call. All the Nordic on call. Denmark on tutu a Red Cross flag, Red Cross nation. Belgium Kwaka won't mean tutu. Holland a Red Cross on tutu or humanitarian. Switzerland obako humanitarian. Austria odi could be a humanitarian won't mean tutu. Canada on Pecras or better Santokwa we ask them and within humanitarian crackle. And you look at the macho, the bigger countries. Italy cannot. Spain cannot. These are the only two. Germany, you and I know of Second World War. German army does not go anywhere to fight, even when they are under attack. They are only what? A Red Cross, as far as the UN conventions are concerned. They don't fight. They go humanitarian. And the army ben pa they had that leeway. Afghanistan. Taliban SRB defeat you. Terrorist group. They were overthrown by Bush. Fight them to Palestine, to Pakistan. They came to fight the American troops back until say Obama be you because they realized. And even with that, the whole NATO went. They couldn't defeat them. How much more Iran that has a bigger army than the entire NATO force? How would they do that? How would they do that? How would they follow America that the NATO, the same NATO members in countries say, let's use diplomatic corridors to solve the issues now. Oman Puram say, we've taken what? Unilateral decision in the self-interest of Israel, state of Israel, in the self-interest of the United States and the citizens. How do you get on the ground there now say, now you want a multilateral force to come and fight with you, but you didn't go with multilateral force when you were going to bombard. I mean, it's a very bad political decision that His Excellency President Trump is taking. And when you take bad political decisions, it affects nations. And that is where we find ourselves in. And yet, easy fighter, America be fun easy. Iran want to display and show the world. But then, Kwame, the fears, again, is that if United States and Israel are not able to defeat Iran, this time that they've counted and made the whole world believe that there's a mission of conquer, epic fury. If they are not able to defend the Iranians now, then the Persian Empire, I'm suspecting, say, the Iranians will rise. This time, no, they will push over on the countries of the Mediterranean Sea. Which ones are them? The best, Bahrain, Omicron from Kofoni Nasu. I think that could be their game plan, and that would be a very great big deal. The American went to man winning and flat Iran. And when that fight now, it will be an easy solution. Current.
Hello. Saudis no. Ebesen to kwana to aso no na.
What's it then?
Enu ti de o kan ti na Saudis ne percent to kwana to aso no na.
Yes. That is what the Persians, the Iranians, and the person to Ekoso. They want to almost say they are stimulating the conversation of dominance and the conversation of telling the world that we are not weak. So if the Arabian countries now, America for all the bases, if they are not able to succeed and win this fight, Iran will now detect and determine and detect the pace. So we don't even want you in the region. And already that is what they've started propagating. That they don't want any American base or region anymore. How would they do that unless they say they fight? And this one man take a fight into their door and conquer them. Now if they are out of the bag, they are more. And I've told you and I mentioned said, we say Iranian vessel. It takes Iran not more than 2 months to build a commercial vessel of 30,000 or 30 tonnage of oil. Military, world military, go and check. Only North Korea, almost building vessels here will be on a daily basis. Drones, they are the leaders of the world of building drones every 1 week. Almost building thousands of drones. So once even the fight is ongoing, one would have expected, because I said what Timmy throw 130 drones at a time to Tel Aviv. Now Israeli interceptors, because monitors were drawn to attract the interceptor. But the real drone now, the bear say, you know, no, they are far underground, now hit it. Now, Musum, Namu, detonity, the drones. And to woman, dear, it's a very stubborn, woman, a very stubborn. They are like the Chinese. They've gone through hardship before, and of course, in the hands of their own old friends, Americans. And to woman prepare now, they were waiting, but however, they've called the Arab neighbors their brothers. They've called them our neighbors. They've lived side by side with them in peace. They know, sir. Woman said, say near their two say Iranians near this, they building this. But the Arabians were not afraid because they knew the Iranians were not going to do anything to them. But as it stands now, no, so America, when they are, Iran is running, they are going to run at them and chase them to the Gulf. Where and how? What situation do you put Emirates? I was spending about 42 years and they are building a country from desert scratch and they are building what is called the world model business center or business hub called Dubai. How do you bring them to this far? How do you bring Abu Dhabi? How do you bring Sharjah? How do you bring Bahrain? How do you bring all these kingdoms? How do you bring them to this far? It is a very serious serious issue. And see, Kwame, and to BC, mashallah, they are born Empire on Juano. However, sometimes meet you, Kwame.
Missy Medasa no pay Wadaruma.
Yamenka Kwame.
Who paper be set, almost you, one Quaquashia, now one green, Assumbie, and one sems. Aha. And Pakistan, yes, Pakistan, Kwana, a host to us. I don't know. I won't come out to say.
Kwame, don't forget something. Pakistanians, don't forget the part of Pakistan, they are also Persians. Pakistanians, Ankasano, Onsunuo, only India on the fight the whole. Pakistan, as we speak, also in Afghanistan to Kwaho. Kwame, now, what Busa say? Ubia, one in Irijaya Waye. Then send Panasu could see you being in the Intemas and Kwame possible. Kwame.
Tiawo, Mitiopa.
Which is the Michel? Pakistan Ankasa one issue. Yes, they are looking for mediators. Iran war with Israel and Americans. The mediators were these frontline Arabs. Now they are all caged in, bundled as one Israel, one America, the whole Gulf. And the only ally, when from German, Iranians will not come. They are not stupid. They wouldn't come. Who from UK and because they tried it. Americans now Makwine. Germany Timin who's true. Switzerland can own Timin who's true. Norway own Timin who's true. And the UN Ankasasi weak. They don't respect UN. No country and now respect the UN. And the other than Pakistan, third world, another country, and they call for what? A ceasefire. Or America for the Rubio Nelco. And also Trump Nelco. The Iranians and one Baba. You think they are stupid? What happened to Ismail Haniyeh? It was the same thing that Iran moderated. Iran decided, say, the Burma peace, Palestine, Haniyeh, on Israel and transit. So while they were hosting him in Tehran, waiting to go to Qatar for them to resolve the issue, a day before the summit, and Israelis Kuku Ismail Haniyeh. What about the issue with Hezbollah and Nasarawa? It's the same thing 2 days before the summit, and Umkukuno. So now, Americans looking for a way, however, to see who is now the Iranian mediator. Arachi, our foreign minister, he's still talking. Back to back. Why are the Americans not chasing Arachi? Why are the Israelis not chasing Arachi? What about Petroscan? The president is there. Why are they not chasing him? Why are they not talking about the president? Are they not? They say they are not comfortable with Mujtaba, but they are comfortable with Petroscan. Is that the case? So who is going to go to Pakistan? It's not dummy. They are not going to do it on social media. Call it, you have read, is a Zoom. Human being has to be there. International crisis solutions is done on a table called the team solutions. You must have a handshake. Who is now going to have a handshake with American what? Diplomats? They will not go. Pakistan will mediate. But we are talking about the architects to come on the discussion table, to come on the negotiation table. Who are the Iranians coming? They will not come. And if they will send anybody, they will send people who are not decision makers. Because they are not foolish to know, said, Oba, that's all. Flying out of the Pakistani territory to the Iranian side, they could be intercepted in the air. They are very, very much aware. Kwame Biesida, the story of South Sudan and then Sudan. Bashar, over kind of story now. And me South Sudan, an agency of independent, all their moderators that have gone to your friends in Kenya, Omo Babakano, Oma Bashar Ekumomina, Okumomo at that time. What about the issue of what triggered the war of Rwanda, Burundi, and then the Rwanda genocide? And then the Kagame, was that not the same thing? They went to AOU, African Union Summit in Ethiopia. On the way back, while the two Habiana, the two presidents, and Burundi president, two of them using one aircraft to drop in Rwanda and then go to Burundi and drop at them. That is when the Ifono, Omukumo Tusifono, rebels Nkumomo. Again, what it is, or what became the famous genocide of Rwanda. So the world is not short of second of news. Arrested of Haiti. They know all these things. Since a joint negotiation time, they will use what is called diplomatic consultants, missionaire, for them to drive home of negotiations. Come. Niansha Muhammadun Baba. Now, come you will come here, His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufado. Omufre Asimi Goita. That is Pediasi Declaration 1, Declaration 2, telling Mali government, say, military training for government in a man back to civilian, Alpha. Obaka issue, no. Pediasi Lodge. Who will Asimi Goita do by? I mean, be army captains, a sergeant, the highest one of a captain. How does a captain come and interface and sit down with Nanado Dankwa? Only locus, so bet my take a decision, Mamali. Oh, Mamma, ECOWAS, ACI, I have read is a Tinibu declaration say, a quack will take you, declaration say, ECOWAS, Airport, Niger, Ako Fatia, I shut it down, say it's not possible with their line, they can't do it. Omufre, Niger, Siani. The coup plotters in Mumrano. Tinibu Kobi, His Excellency Nado, Alassane Ouattara, all the big ways. Your friend is a Yadema for Ekobi, Patrice Talon Ekoy, Omina Koy. One woman Chani Dumbae. They were revolution guards. How do you negotiate with them? Into the negotiations, but the people to come and sit and negotiate, they are not people to take decisions. It's a war. You declared military operation on them. Now Americans will elevate and move to military invasion. I'm only a problem, and when you invade and they are responding, then you declare war on them. To say Russia, they declare military operation or a Donbass, or an invasion, or they declare war. I mean, one day they do war. Is America prepared for war with Iran? No. Are they prepared to invade? 1 month of bombardment, if you haven't succeeded in your bombardment, you must not invade on the ground. I want a case in every.
Okay. And I was Bibi and your best about why?
I mean, can't wait here for an opportunity. Take care of yourself.
Yes, that's a